Hey everybody, Pro Trader Mike showing you a live trade that we're in the day trading room here for the close at 3 o'clock on a V-band break in GDP on some volume through the high of 377. Once it touches 380, it should start to pick up some volume and really start to make a move. Got 8,500 shares at average of 373, and we'll see what it does from here. Really liking it. So about another minute elapsed. Stock's sitting here at 375, still just chilling, waiting for the big popping volume to come in. These are all bullish signals right here on the ask. So right now it's 15:01. It's 3:01 in the afternoon, and we'll see this in the next 5 minutes when it starts a new bar where this one's going to be. This bar just started right here, and it ends at 15:05 in the next 3 minutes. So if we get a nice little poke above that, we'll get another poke higher on the next 5-minute bar. Then we'll see 380. Then we'll see the next bar higher, 390, with a big volume bar and kind of a bar like this one. And then we'll see it really start to push towards $4. And you'll see the P&L about 25 cents higher, make about 1,800, 2 Gs or even more on this trade. So right now 74 bid. Why would they go to 74? Why wouldn't they just chill at 73 and lower? With all, I mean, stock's so high, it's been so low because they need shares. It's going higher. Short squeeze in action. All right, short squeezing this could make a grown man cry right now. People are short this thing all day, and boom, look at this daily chart right here. Thing got demolished. Every single winner in the market today is indicated with a chart pattern like this. Watch. See, this one got demolished up big and won't stop. Look at this one. Demolished up big and won't stop. See the next one. Same thing with this one. Same thing with this one. This one. This one. This one. This one. Similar chart on everywhere. This is the only one that's in a breakout pattern upside, but every one of them is a bottom bouncer, big up from a crushed position. See that? Every single one of them. Santa, GDP. There's 376 now on GDP. So once we hit 80 through the 77, the big size is going to come in, and you'll see the P&L start to go up now. Like I mentioned, about 2 Gs looking to make on this trade. See that signal at 379, the 52? It's so bullish. Watch it really start to pick up. Everyone's short now. They're going to start to cover, come in, big volume, start to pound in. Profit's going to jump up 8,500 shares at 373. Looking good. Let me make sure the Mojo room's solid with this pick. Let me pull up the Mojo room. Yo, check it out. They're all like, yo, it's going. You like? GDP? There it is, 79, pulling through. There's the 52 on the ask. Woo. 78 bid by 79. Now it's going to start to pick up a little bit of power. While we're waiting for this to move, let me show you how many times I've traded rig. in the room. Look at this. Rig here. Rig filling at 797. Filled. Well, that's sold here. Average is 794 in rig. Now 85. Sold 1803. Rig's done. Let me show you how many times we traded a rig after it was done. New trade long 1798, filled 1798, selling 805, sold 1805, sold the rest 1811. Then we did it again 1795, bought more 5 cents lower, sold on the ask 1805, boom, sold 1803, sold 1806, sold 1811, 1808. Rig, we're buying again under 18, filled 18, filled 98. Rig selling here above 02, sold 03, sold 05, sold 07. Nice. Let's get back to GDP. Going through the high at 379. Now there's a buy signal right there at 53. So you don't do any sells. Thing's going to pound through that. See what it does. It's 1507. Here we go. 378 bid. Just popped up there. Smokes through that 79. Forget about it. Ping. They're starting to ping it right now. Boom. Boom. Look at the 80, the 157. That's the biggest bullish signal. Nobody knows that, but that is a bullish signal right there. And it's going to go through that. Count to about 10 seconds. Took me years to realize that. Part of the poker webinar I'm doing tomorrow night, why would these guys be at 79? A big, big short. There it goes. Boom, boom, boom. There's the P&L up 520 now. See that? Haven't sold a share. Let it pound through that and go to 85. And then we're looking solid. Squeeze. It's called a lemon squeeze right now on that 380. Live trading. You want to see Mike's screen up 520 now. There you go, 381. There's 382. See that, 8,500? That's me on the ask, selling 5,000, but I'm only showing 200. I'm only showing 100. There's another person with me. So right here, you could see, this is how you hide orders. I have 5,500 out. I'm open on 5,200 on the ask, but I'm only showing 100 shares. You don't realize that because I'm hiding it. And when they take that, I'm adding liquidity to the market. I get a rebate on this trade, on that. They'll pay me to sell that at 80. And right now I'm going to start to get filled because there's more bids coming up. So you'll see this 5,200 start to go and get rattled now. There it goes. See? 5,200. Watch. Be patient. See, everyone's showing 100, but they all have more shares to sell. It's called hiding the order on the level 2. So I'm going to cancel that order. I'm going to put the position out at 79 for 100 shares. Watch. Cancel it. I'm just nailing it at 78 right there. That's me cross market at 78. Watch my position go down. 8,100. And we'll just sit here for a second. Because I want to box this thing and see how much of that take. No, hold on a second. Just leave it in there. Okay, they're rattling it right now. 6,400, 6,500, 5,100. See, they're taking me right now. Cancel. I'm not going to be able to cancel it. All right. They say they filled it. So I'm done. They took all of it, and I got a rebate for doing that. Okay. So actually, I have 348 shares left. So I'll take the 348. I'll stick that at 81 right here. And then that's it. I'm going to rebuy it back. Made $508 on that trade. The firm I trade with is called Shore Trader. You saw that big white pop-up happen at 3:30 p.m. You have to reduce your leverage to 2-to-1. Right now I'm trading with 6-to-1 leverage. So with $5,000, you can trade 30 grand. With $10,000, you could trade $60,000. And at 3:30, you have to go down to 2-to-1, or they liquidate your positions and maneuver you to that as far as risk management. It's a really great firm. And you can make $500 on a $5,000 account, which is what I've just done in front of your face right there on 8,500 shares, just putting it all into that one stock as I'm buying higher and higher. And that's 10% just in that one trade that I made. So it goes to show you you can do that with a 5 grand account, 30 grand at 8,500 shares. That's 30 grand. So that's 30 grand worth of stock. Made $500 on the trade. That's how it's done. So let me cancel this order. I'm going to go to 378 I'm going to sell the whole 348. Done. Shares are gone. Now I'm going to look to rebuy the stock back on any dip. And if it goes through 81, it'll go to 85. It'll dip back down. I'll rebuy it back and then sell it into 86 to 90 and keep on replaying it all the way up to $4. Very safe, but with a $500 cushion in the bank. That's Mojo Day Trading. Pro Trader Mike signing off. You keep it profitable. Oh yeah, and let me mention to you, you might say, hey, how come I didn't go for the $2,000 profit? Because I'm not greedy. Profit's a nice profit. Peyton Manning with selective attention. I stepped up to the line, analyzed the level 2 currently at the time and the volume and the blitz not coming in, so I reestablished a new trade play on a lower level, made the money, and there you go. Didn't have to score from 80 yards, scored it in from 30. Pro Trader Mike signing off.